Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out AB Download Manager, a free and open source download tool, and showing you how to install it and use it with your browser. Let's do it. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the official AB Download Manager website. Once you're on the site, scroll down to the Download section. Now, choose the correct version for your operating system. If you're using Windows, download the Windows installer. For Debian-based Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Pop! OS, or Deepin OS, grab the Deb package. And if you're an Arch Linux user like me, you can download the .z archive. I prefer installing directly from the terminal using Yay, my AUR package manager. If you'd like to build from source, the link is in the description below. The installation should only take a few seconds. While that's finishing up, let's install the browser extension. It's available for both Chrome and Firefox. Head back to the AB Download Manager website and click the Get App button. Choose your browser and add the extension. Make sure to also enable it for incognito or private browsing mode. Okay, the download manager should be installed now. Let's check if the browser extension is connected. If it's not, make sure AB Download Manager is running in the background, and try again. That's it. Installation and setup complete. You can use it like IDM. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate the download speed today because my own internet connection is a bit slow, but trust me, this download manager is a real powerhouse. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Aptimizer. I'm working towards my monetization goal of 1,000 subscribers, so your support means the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Please subscribe, whatever.